Carl, stop breathing so loud.
I can't help it. I have a big nose.
Just be quiet.
A quiet night in the suburbs.
Empty. Nobody home. Easy job tonight.
Easy job? Nice. I like easy. Whoa!
You're so clumsy.
Sam, that's a very big person.
It's just a shadow.
Earlier that day, let's see how this started.
Breakfast is almost ready, honey.
Smells delicious, Nick.
Ha! Good morning, world!
Morning, buddy. 3 steps again?
4 steps, Dad. I'm getting better.
One day you'll land on the cat.
Where's the cat?
Exactly.
Morning, everyone.
Okay, today we're going to learn the parts of our house in English.
Is it a treasure map?
Kind of. It's better. It's our house map.
Let's see what we have here. The front door, the back door, the porch, the living room, the kitchen, the garage, the yard.
This map needs more action. Tom, for protection. We don't need a dragon. The garage?
Good. And this?
What's that, Mom?
That's the most important part of the map.
The porch!
Perfect. High five.
Mr. McDonald's number, police number, and 3 rules. Lock the door, stay inside, call for help. Call for help.
Why would we need to call for help? You probably won't, but if anything feels wrong, you'll know what to do.
Okay, I understand.
I must write this down. Rule number 3. Call for help.
Hello? Yes, speaking.
Who's calling at this hour? This isn't working.
That was Grandma. Grandpa is at the hospital for a checkup. Nothing serious.
But we need to go.
This afternoon. About 2-3 hours.
Can we come?
It's a long drive and Grandpa needs rest. You two stay home. By ourselves.
Okay, I can do that. I'm 6. What time do you leave?
2 o'clock.
Rule number 1. Lock the door. Good. Rule number 2. Stay inside. Rule number 3. Call for help. Mr. McDonald is right next door. He knows you're home.
Tom, look at me. You're not a superhero tonight.
I know.
You're something better. You're responsible.
What does responsible mean?
It means you take care of your sister and she takes care of you, and you both stay safe. I know you can be responsible.
Be good, Tom.
Goodbye, Mom and Dad! I already locked it. See? Locked. Fine. And Tom adds another safe zone here right next to the dragon. Very smart move.
Superheroes do it all the time. No, they don't.
I know, it helps me focus. It's kind of funny. The ones I like do.
We must move quickly. It should be right here.
Anna.
Something feels different. Let's step back. Who are they? Are they bad guys? I don't know. Are they bad guys? I don't know yet.
What does Mom always say?
Eat your vegetables? Right, stay calm. Are you staying calm? Because your face looks a little...
The other thing. Oh, stay calm. We use our brains. I don't think my brain is big enough. Yes, it is. Okay.
Fair. Your bear. The big one. Mr. Bear is brave. Does it look strong? It looks really big.
Good.
Sam, that's a very big person.
It's just a shadow.
It's a very big shadow.
Come on, back door.
When the ribbon moves, I'll hear the cans. I'll hear the cans.
Ah!
It worked! They fell down. Tom, step away from the door. Corn kernels, marbles. Marbles! Very slippery.
Easy.
Whoa!
Watch the floor!
I noticed.
Our warning setup didn't stop them completely.
It wasn't supposed to.
The warning setup buys us time. The phone call gets help.
Oh,
I'm calling for help right now, and I'm coming over. Don't open the door for anyone.
okay.
It's okay. You did great.
Thanks, Tom. That's what responsible people do. That's exactly what responsible people do. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
What was that?
Move back!
Sam, I don't like this.
Let's get out of here. How do we get out of here?
I don't know.
Where? Good point.
Anna! Tom!
We were responsible.
I know, buddy. I know. You didn't go outside, and you called for help. That's the smartest thing you did.
That's rule 3.
The kids protected their homes safely. A very successful mission.